loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this we're going to be doing this peachy yellow look, super inspired by summer that's not here yet because spring isn't even here yet, but I'm getting ahead of myself because I'm excited. If you guys want to see this, then just don't pause the video. Let's go. To start off, we're going to be using our Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm going to be going in with Candid Peach, which is this one right here, and my Sigma E25 brush, which is just a small blending brush. I especially like this brush because it gets into the crease really well. So we're just going to be putting this above our crease and working it up a little bit and just gently blending, gently. I'm just gonna get somebody else to start doing my voiceovers because I can't talk ever. I'm also gonna be bringing this up to the brow bone and kind of diffusing that. I didn't pick up any additional product, I'm just circling this to blend it into the brow bone. What you ultimately want to do in a makeup look is you never want to just like slap on a color. Like, you want to make sure you're building it up and diffusing it, because the most peach that I want concentrated is right in this area, and then I'm diffusing it the more I go. And don't be afraid to go like up to the brow bone because you can always clean that up. I'm gonna be grabbing my NYX Milk Eye Pencil, Jumbo Eye Pencil, and I'm gonna be grabbing this little brush that came in a BH Cosmetics kit and just like running the top over that. And then we're gonna be carving out where we want the yellow. I'm probably not gonna talk during this part because I have to focus. Basically what we're gonna be doing is carving out a little bit above the lid. First I wanna just get the base color on the lid. Or not the base color, but the white on the lid. And then once you have most of the product on your lid, you're just gonna go ahead and start carving above the crease. And I want it to go a little bit farther than that, so I'm just gonna make it go up a little bit more. And once I'm pretty happy with that, I'm gonna wipe off the brush. And it doesn't need to be perfect because we're covering it with glitter anyways. I feel like I've used this palette in almost every single video, but I've been playing with colors so much, but it has every color. It's the BH Cosmetics 120 color palette eyeshadow. Really? I had to read the whole thing. And this just has like every bright color you need. The first sheet has all the yellows, and I'm gonna be kind of taking a mix of this yellow. Wow, that's like my nail color. It like literally blends in. This yellow and this yellow. A little bit more of this yellow than this yellow. This one's just a little more muted. This one is pretty neon, so. I'm be taking the same brush and just patting that all over the lid. And I'm kind of going to be running it right here. Alright, and since I'm a bum and I refuse to like go out and buy glitter liner when I could just easily do that, I'm going to be using this old Wet n Wild Fantasy Makers. It's like part of their Halloween collection from, I'm not kidding you, maybe like 10 years ago. It's not glittery enough, so I'm literally going to be like drawing the line on and then dipping into my NYX glitter, which is just my silver glitter with the same brush. It's been working for me lately, so I'm just going to keep doing it until I run out. So essentially we're just going to be drawing a line right where the yellow stops, the yellow stops. Don't do it. What are you doing? Are you sassing me? Eat your face! Ah! Alright, so I'm gonna start right here. And oh, this is so, hold on, let me move this mirror. Can you see? Kinda. I'm just gonna start drawing it And the nice thing about this glitter is that it like gives me like a baseline of like where it's gonna be before I actually put glitter there. Does that make sense? If you guys have a favorite glitter liner, can you like leave it down below? Because I want to go with the Urban Decay, but like if there's a better one, like just let us sister know. And I'm just gonna kind of flick it out right here. So guys, I stocked up on my favorite mascara. It's the pink one, not the green one. This one's better. Oh, I forgot how good this was. Essence is such an underrated brand. Like I'm not even playing. Such a good brand. Moving on to lashes. I can't remember the name of these, but I'm gonna put it right here for you. Right here. Okay, I'm gonna go apply these off camera and I will be right back. Okay, now for under the lash line, I'm gonna be taking the same E25 brush and that candied peach color and running that under the lash line. We're not doing this. He's gonna come up closer and meow at me. What do you need? What's wrong? Come here, I know you wanna be on camera. Great, so continuing what I was doing. The tail needs to stop. I'm gonna do this pretty lightly just because I can't handle him. Just because I don't want a lot going on the lower lash line. I want everything to be kind of going on the lid. I'm not putting any mascara on the bottom lash line, just so we're aware. For blush, I'm gonna be taking my favorite Milani blush in Luminoso. And I just love this blush because it's like really glowy without like sparkly. And just popping this on my cheeks. All right, and then I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild highlighter in, I can never figure out the name of these. Is this the Mega Glow? No, that's the line. Precious Petals, another underrated brand. LA Girl, Wet n Wild, Essence. Do not underrate them, they are amazing. I don't even need like any kind of, what is it called? Mixer? I don't know. I don't need any kind of like wet for this. What am I saying? What are the words that are coming out of my mouth? I don't need any like Smashbox photo primer, any water, nothing to wet the brush to make this stand out. It's already pretty poppin'. For lips, I want to do like a really peachy lip. I'm gonna be doing the Ulta. I'm gonna be going in with my Ulta matte lip cream in Bestie, and this is just like a really, really light nude, almost like a peachy. I'm just popping that on my lips. All right, and then I'm just gonna be going in with a clear lip gloss. Like, I literally don't even know where I got this. I think it's a gift. I'm just gonna be going in with this. I was in the mood for a glossy lip, so why not? All right, loves, and that is the finished look. I hope you guys really liked it. I had a lot of fun doing it. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more makeup tutorials. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.